So I'm here in Richmond Park with the deer, testing a rucksack, the Osprey Rook 65. Now you think, oh, why are you testing it in such a non-rugged place? Well, I can't try it in proper anger because, as you'll probably see, the tags are still on it because I'm not totally sure about the rucksack. And if I find a bench that's not populated with chattering school kids or people wondering what I'm doing, I will also have an unboxing. It arrived today. It literally arrived. I was on my way to do this and I found a box on my doorstep. I unboxed the Light Tour 5.8 mattress. We shall see. Oh, the deer making noises. Hello, I'm here with the rutting deer. You probably can't see them very well. I thought I'd try this rucksack in somewhere where it's close to home, it's a bus ride from home, because I'm not totally sure about the rucksack. It's good. I loved it in the store. The store adjusted it for me. I thought they got it wrong and actually I've put it back to what they did. I think they were right, but I wasn't totally sure. There's no guide on it. The instructions are on the American website, not the UK website. So that's kind of a very big black mark for Osprey. I expect better than that. I expect it to either come with some kind of pamphlet or, you know, have something on their website, but no instructions. So you don't know where because it's adjustable, you don't know which of the rungs to put it on for my torso size. As you'll see, the tags are still on it. I don't want to get it ruined, so I thought I'd take it out here to Richmond Park, what I used to call the Mirkwood near here. Although that's very dark, so I thought no, we won't go there. But yeah, I'm not totally sure about this backpack. If I did strap up properly, you haven't got it adjusted properly. There's always some. And yes, I know I haven't got the top one, the silly strap, or the doobry strap as I call it. I haven't got the top one running. The Osprey, it doesn't have the side pockets, which I really wish it had those, but you know, it's a budget one in the Osprey range. It's 65 litres, it's adjustable. It's got a rain jacket, which I'm really sceptical about. I probably will just take that out and put something else in that pocket. Luckily it's not fixed to it. I hate those ones where they have like the rain jacket integral to the thing. Can't remove it. Those are a bit crap really. You only be able to remove whatever you want to remove. It's got sleeping straps, removable sleeping mattress straps at the bottom. I like the fact that they're sort of to the side at the back rather than at the bottom itself, because you end up putting the pack onto your mattress and that can make it dirty or whatever. You don't really want it in the mud. Only one brain pocket. You know, I prefer a few more, but you know, especially with the Light Tour being so much smaller, this means that I can now fit food in. I can now fit other things in. That was the problem with the Trail Pro mattress, is it's a really good mattress, but it's so bulky. That's the big problem with that. It's a bit heavier and it's bulkier. So the Light Tour is tiny, so that will help. You know, it's slightly more durable. I mean, this is the thing. I was going to go with the flex capacitor, but all of the flex capacitors I've seen secondhand have holes in. So I'm really skeptical about that. I think the lightweight material is a bit of a problem. So I'm not convinced about the durability of those things. I had one on order which never came. The shop had it on pre-order, and you know, 1 to 2 weeks and they never got it. And it was like 4 or 5 weeks later I was like, well, that's not going to happen, is it? Then when I got this, I felt that it wasn't as comfortable as the Kelty, and that was surprising to me because the Kelty, you know, I would think is more budget than the Rook. They're the same online store, but they had, you know, reduced deal on it. I was like, oh, okay, excellent. And that's an 80 litre and it's just so bulky. And it's about 2.6 kilograms. It's heavier, but it's the comfiest thing ever. You can carry so much weight in that thing. It's not like you don't feel it, but it's not as obvious you're carrying weight. This is right on the edge of what I call the Mirkwood. I might even pop some paintings I've done in the video of here. So yes, let's do an unboxing. Before the light goes, I'll show you the light tour. Before I had to put plastic down because although it's a lovely dry day today, it's been chucking it down for the last couple of days. So, you know, I was kind of like, no, I can't do this. No, I can't do this. No, I can't do this. No, I can't do this because I didn't want to get this wet. So finally, we have the light tour. Oh, the question is it a black one? Which one have they sent me? The box has the R3.5 one and the 5.8 one and the mummy on it. So yeah, hopefully it's not that one. Hopefully it's not that one. Hopefully it's not that one. Hopefully it's that one. I mean, in one sense I can understand. Let's have multiple boxes for these things, but still. Oh, and somebody with a flashy dog, obviously. Uh-oh. Please don't be the black one. That's the 3.8 one. I hope it's just a black bag. I can't even open it. Of course, black, yeah, it's going to work really well on this light. Hopefully it's just a compression bag. Hello.
Sorry, she's so nosy.
That's alright, I love bulldogs. So, we have a fancy case which is going to look very dark in this light. Hopefully you'll be able to see that when this actually video comes out. Right. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's the pump bag, which apparently isn't very good. So, another bag. This is like Chinese whispers. Oh, I see. Repair pack. That's always good. I should have brought my head torch, really. A green. Why is this green? Ah, there we are. One side. I didn't realise. It better be what I ordered. I'm not going to blow it up. And there we are, light tour. Making a very nice, helpful reflector for the. I'm not sure if I should really unfold this. I'm not going to inflate it here. I will, of course, inflate it. Test inflate it. I thought it was silver both sides, but it seems to be the one, not the mummy version. It seems to be the square version, which is good. Just amazed at how light this is. And there's the valve. It's one of those double valve things. A little tab with light tour in it. Corners are a bit curved, but it seems to be the square one, which is good. There's so much faff about this. I had so much trouble with this, getting this. It's been what's been happening recently is that people have been saying they've got stock and they're not stock, and that's happened with the rucksack, with the flex capacitor, and this is what happened with the original seller, leading me on for 2-3 weeks of, oh no, we really have it in stock. Other people don't have it in stock. This is the thing about alley sellers, is they lie to you. They were lying to me saying, no one has stock. Well, they did. It's not too dark, it's getting really dark here. We'll do further testing on the Rook. I will show you the light tour in action. Yes, I ran out of light. This is the light tour. I'm going to try and blow it up. See, I've never used a pump bag before. So this one probably have comedy value. This is what threw me, it's like green on one side. Let's spread it out, see what it looks like. It's the long version. Yes. So, allegedly, you take that out, you connect this up here, and then apparently don't make me join the flex tail pump Borg. Like everyone else, I might have to. I'm never doing this right. That is blowing out. So, why is the pump bag not working? That is not inflating. I assume there's a leak in it, so. I'm not fine, so it doesn't seem to be leaking. So why is the air not going into the thing? I have been told these don't work. I think I'll have to do it the manual way. Yeah, I think could be better, and so time to test it. Matter of truth. Moment of truth. Yes, I think it could be blown up better. That's comfortable, and it fits me. I was worried that they're going to send me the small version, but it's definitely the long version. So that works. I think this is a bit underinflated. I probably need to get a flex tail pump, even though I don't want to. I don't want to do a flex tail, but it looks like it's probably the best way to blow these things up. So the pump sack doesn't work properly. I don't know why. I've seen many videos about, you have to blow away from it, and I don't know. I don't know what happened there. So yeah, you do bottom out when sitting like this, but when you're lying, it's fine. So it remains to be seen what the R value of this is. People like Daily Outdoor swear by them. I love how light it is. I love how not bulky it is, and apparently it is rated to 5.8. So we will find that when we use it in the field. But for now, yes, it's the right size. Well, it seems to fit me okay, and it blows up. It hasn't got a leak, so that's a good start. And of course, we'll see how quickly it rolls up. You just pull that. If you want to empty it, you just pull that out. And that actually works. I was surprised it worked for breathing. I thought it might be one of these things where you have to press that thing for it to work properly. So I don't think it fully inflates if you do it by mouth. That was the reason why I got this, because it takes so long to roll up my Thermarest. There we are. The first time, I don't think that's too bad. It is quite nice that you can vent the bottom of it. So when you're doing the rolling, you can just get the last air out of it. That's the design, which that's a nice idea, but it's a shame that the pump sack doesn't seem to work. I've never totally got the way these things work. Oh well, but yeah. It comes at a good time because obviously my big bulky Trail Pro, there was some space for food, but not much space for food. I really like on the Rook, it's got the forward facing water bottle pocket holders, so you've got I have done some video of that. You can actually reach them much more easy. That's brilliant. But something like this is, that compared to my massive Trail Pro makes a massive difference if it works properly. It's properly rated for 5.8, so it should be a good thing. Whether it does is another matter, but we'll see. Like and subscribe. This is more of an update than really a review, and I'll give you an idea of what you get with the light tour. So we'll see how that works in practice. Please go away. I don't want an audience. Why not? It's not like I'm running out of light.